hacer un arroz rojo mexicano. We're gonna start with rice, 1 ripe tomato, manteca or lard, or you can use oil if you want, chicken bouillon, and 1 garlic clove. Let's get started. To get started, I placed our manteca or oil, about a tablespoon, in the pan, and we're gonna brown the garlic clove. And I am gonna have this on high heat and just constantly stir the garlic clove until it's light brown. After that's accomplished, we're gonna add our arroz. After a few seconds, the garlic clove is lightly brown. We're gonna add our arroz y lo vamos a dorar en la manteca o en el aceite. We're gonna stir frequently. Mientras se nos dora el arroz, vamos a licuar el tomate, the chicken bouillon, como 2 cucharaditas, and a splash of water. We're gonna blend this until it's very smooth. After about 2 minutes, el arroz ya está bien doradito. Mi esposo le estaba meneando y no está muy parejito, pero bueno. We're gonna add our tomato puree. Y vamos a alisar la salsa en la manteca con el arroz. Just until the water pretty much disappeared. Very quick, a few seconds. Luego le voy a mi licuadora 1 taza de las mismas que me di el arroz de agua para enjuagar la licuadora. Ahí se lo voy a agregar. Y le voy a agregar otra media, 3/4, media, más o menos de agua. De estas mismas tazas con que me di el arroz. Y voy a dejar a que hierva. Once it starts boiling, we're going to lower the heat to the lowest setting, and then we are going to put a lid on it, and that's it. You will see what the next step is. Our liquid started boiling. You can taste it at this point, the little broth, a ver si le falta sal. If it needs salt, add some, or the chicken bouillon. Mine is perfect, no salt added. Just the chicken bouillon is plenty. We're gonna lower our stove almost to the lowest setting, and then we're gonna put a lid on it. So mi estufa está en la número 2. We're gonna put the lid on it. It's very low, and we're gonna let it simmer until all the water is almost evaporated. Okay guys, so after about 15 minutes, our rice todavía está con líquido. Bueno, no con líquido, but mushy. It's still raw, and it should look something like this. I can't see much liquid, but I know it's still raw. We're gonna turn off our stove, put a lid on it, and don't touch it for 20 minutes. After we let our rice sit in the pan for about 20 minutes with the lid on and the heat off, ya está nuestro arroz. So this is the finished product. As you guys see, it's fluffy, no está mushy ni nada. Está super rico. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Bye!